Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the dual cleaning solution on MOVA V50 Ultra. In order to use the dual cleaning solution, first you'll need to of course have two cleaning solutions. Now make sure that the solutions that you have are from MOVA. You shouldn't use third-party ones because they can damage your robot. I have two of them. This is the multi-surface floor cleaner and this is the pet odor neutralizer. So yeah, these two will be needed. You will need to open the door right here on the station and then remove the cleaning solution compartment. Now there's A and B. In A, you should put the main cleaning solution. The main cleaning solution is this one, multi-surface floor cleaner. Let's see if it says here on the box that it should be in the A. It doesn't say it, but yeah, basically this is the base one, you know, the multi-surface floor cleaner. And you should just fill it into the A tank. Then the B tank is for the additional one, so the pet odor should go into it. And actually on the pet odor it does say on the back that it should go into the B. Yeah, once you fill them in, you can fill them all the way. You can put it in here, and now there's a very important thing that you need to do in the app to let the robot know which solution are added, because well, there are different types of solutions that you can add into the B compartment, and well, the robot won't recognize them automatically, of course. So you'll need to go to the app, then click on three dots in the top right corner, and now you should see probably will be in the dog settings. Yeah, then detergent settings, and now tank A detergent, you can either disable it or set it to standard. And then tank B detergent, once it's enabled, it can be set to pet detergent. Well, I think that's the only option that we have here. But for that, you will need to first enable pet care in settings before using this cleaning solution. So let's go back, let's go to pet care, let's enable it so it will recognize pets and clean more precisely when there's like something connected to pets, like food or some other things that pets can do. Then go to dog settings, detergent settings, and set it to pet detergent. Then you can also set the frequency to standard or high frequency. So high frequency will use the detergent in tank B for each mop washing, and the standard will use it once a week for all-day mopping tasks, and it is suitable for daily cleaning scenarios. High frequency is going to quickly reduce the detergent level though. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.